Hello viewers. In this video we are going to share causes, symptoms, and homemade remedies of sore throat. Firstly, we are going to share causes of sore throat. 1. Cause: virus. A virus commonly causes a sore throat. Some examples of viral infections include influenza and mononucleosis. The adenovirus is one of the causes of the common cold. Depending on the cause of your pharyngitis, you will have different symptoms and treatment options. 2. Cause: bacteria. A bacterial infection can also result in a sore throat. This condition may be slightly more serious than a viral infection, but both can last several days. The group Streptococcus is the most common bacterial infection. It is also referred to as strep throat. In rare cases, pharyngitis is caused by a bacteria related to Corynebacterium or sexually transmitted diseases like chlamydia or gonorrhea. 3. Other causes. Other specific illnesses that can cause a sore throat include the measles, chickenpox, croup, or whooping cough. You have a higher risk of developing pharyngitis if you are exposed to frequent colds or flu. This may be the case if you work in healthcare or daycare. Allergies or sinus infections are also associated with pharyngitis. Symptoms of sore throat. 4. Symptoms of adenovirus. Even though the incubation period is normally 2 to 5 days, symptoms of the common cold can linger for about 10 days. Although symptoms may vary from person to person, the adenovirus causes a sore, dry, or scratchy throat. Other symptoms associated with pharyngitis and the common cold may include sneezing or a runny nose along with a cough. You may develop a headache or feel fatigue. Body aches, chills, and a low-grade fever are also common. Consult with your medical provider if you have a sore throat for longer than a week or your fever reaches above 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit. 5. Symptoms of mononucleosis. This is another type of infection. Although you will have a sore throat with this infection, you will exhibit different symptoms than that of the common cold. With mono, you may feel run down or worn out, which is medically known as malaise. You can lose your appetite and experience severe fatigue. A fever and muscle aches will most likely accompany your sore throat. Mono also causes swollen lymph nodes and a rash, which should alert you to seek medical attention. 6. Symptoms of strep throat. If you have strep throat, your symptoms will differ from the common cold or mono. Although you might have general malaise, loss of appetite, a fever, and chills, you will also develop an unusual taste in the mouth. Gray or white patches will form on your swollen, red throat. You might find it difficult to swallow if you have strep throat. Your doctor will need to perform a throat culture to determine if you test positive for Streptococcus. Keep in mind you will be contagious until you receive treatment. 10 home remedies for a sore throat. Facti staff. 1. Honey and warm water. Honey is a home remedy for a wide range of discomforts, including sore throats. Numerous studies explore its antiviral and antibacterial properties, and some even demonstrate that it works as well as over-the-counter medicines for soothing coughs and sore throats. Honey can be taken straight from the jar or bottle by the spoonful. Alternately, stir it into a cup of warm water for a soothing drink. Note that pediatricians do not recommend giving honey to children under 12 months old, as it may contain spores that cause botulism. 2. Gargle with salt water. Saying goodbye to a sore throat is quite easy with a little gargling. All you need to try is an old-fashioned home remedy of gargling with salt water. The reason why your throat turns sore is that the cells of mucous membrane become inflamed. Salt is one ingredient that helps pull out moisture from the inflamed tissues and makes your throat less susceptible to bacteria. You will need 1 cup of warm water, 8 ounces. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Heat 1 cup of water for about 30 seconds, should be warm, not hot. Add and thoroughly mix 1/2 teaspoon of table salt in the water. After dissolving the mixture, gargle for 5 to 7 minutes, and repeat this twice or thrice a day as required. 3. The curative powers of garlic. Garlic has been used in medicine since ancient times. The bulbs contain antibacterial substances that may work even more effectively than manufactured medicines, without any side effects, according to some studies. However, more research is needed before most experts will recommend garlic over antibiotics for bacterial infections. People with sore throats can brew garlic tea with a few cloves of garlic, a cup of boiling water, the juice of half of a lemon, and a teaspoon of honey. 4. Try lemon, ginger, and honey in water. An age-old home remedy for treating sore throat is a mixture of lemon juice, ginger, and honey mixed with water. This therapy works typically for 2 reasons. The ginger helps loosen mucus from the respiratory system, while honey and lemon soothe the throat. You will need 1 teaspoon of powdered ginger, 1 teaspoon honey, 1/2 squeezed lemon, 1/2 cup hot water. Mix 1 teaspoon of powdered ginger and 1 teaspoon honey well in 1/2 cup water and add 1/2 squeezed lemon juice into the mixture. Drink this mixture for instant pain relief. 5. Drink or gargle with sage tea. Sage has been used medicinally for centuries. It is an astringent herb that causes contraction of the tissues that relieves swelling. This is the reason why sage tea will ease swelling and relieve a sore throat. You will need 1 cup of boiling water. Little bit honey, only if you prefer sweet tea. 2 teaspoons sage leaves. 1/4 ounce salt, if not adding honey. In 1 cup boiling water, put 2 teaspoons sage leaves and let them steep for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, strain out the leaves and drink the mixture. If you like sweet tea, just put a little bit honey in it. 6. Eat pomegranates. Pomegranates are full of vitamins and minerals that promote good health and provide a delicious way to support the immune system. They also contain antioxidants and astringents effective for reducing pain and swelling in the throat. Pomegranate tea is also a home remedy for soothing a sore throat, and pomegranate juices that do not contain added sugar may also offer these benefits. Studies show that pomegranate juice can alter the metabolism of some prescription medications. If you're on medications, talk to your doctor before drinking pomegranate juice. 7. Steam it out. Steam is a great solution for easing the soreness in your throat, especially when you aren't able to breathe properly due to congestion. You will need 1 big bowl, 1 large bath towel, boiling water to fill the bowl halfway. All you need to do is add boiling water in a large bowl and lean over the bowl with your head covered with a towel. To make the entire steaming session more relaxing, you can even add a little amount of eucalyptus oil. 8. Drink milk with caution. Ensuring adequate hydration is essential when the body is fighting off an infection, and some people find relief from a glass of warm milk. Others believe, however, that dairy products worsen their symptoms. Milk may be beneficial if the throat is sore due to dryness. However, if excess phlegm and mucus are the cause, it may be best to avoid dairy products, which can cause the phlegm to become thicker, increasing pain. 9. Cinnamon sticks. Cinnamon is rich in antioxidants and has a strong scent that can open up the sinuses, which makes it a popular home remedy for cold symptoms. Making cinnamon tea by adding cinnamon sticks to boiling water can positively affect a sore throat, though it is important not to add sugar to the beverage. 10. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea has a long list of benefits. It contains a mild sedative that promotes relaxation and restorative sleep, promotes healthy skin, and can soothe the sore throat. The herb possesses antibacterial and muscle relaxant properties that help ease throat pain and, if consumed regularly during an illness, can encourage faster recovery. Chamomile can be dangerous to people with certain diseases or taking certain medications. Therefore, anyone with an existing condition should check with a doctor before drinking it. Also, people who are allergic to plants in the daisy family, including ragweed, may experience worsening of their allergy symptoms when they drink chamomile tea. Try it out and let me know your feedback in comment box. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel for more videos.